Hey everyone, it's Mark the Tax Wit with your Tax Wit Wednesday, which you know that means I forgot Tax Tip Tuesday. Anyway, if you're a business owner looking for tax help, one of the first things I'm going to ask you when you come into my office is, hey, what's your entity? Kind of like in the 70s, we were like, hey, what's your sign? Well, just like that question, you can learn a lot about people by that question. And usually, though, I get a lot of blank stares. Not when I'm asking people their sign, but when I ask about their entity. Anyway, a lot of businesses don't have any idea that they're even in business, let alone what they registered with the state. But if they do register with the state, more than likely they're going to be an LLC, a limited liability corporation. Now, the IRS considers an LLC a disregarded entity, meaning there is no special form for filing taxes if you have an LLC. You're a sole proprietor, you file your business with your taxes on something called a Schedule C. Well, while an LLC might technically stand for a limited liability corporation, it's not an actual corporation. If you are an S-Corp or a partnership and you filed an extension back on in March, you would have filed it, your business tax return is due on September 15th. That's in, 4 days. So you need to make sure you file that because as an S-Corp, it's going to generate a K-1, which you need to file your personal return, which if you filed an extension there, is due on October 15th. Now, this might be a good time for you to review your business classification and plan ahead for 2020. There are some advantages to being a corporation, but timing is important on these kinds of decisions. That's your Tax Wit Wednesday. See you next week.